Hi, it's Julie here and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make these gorgeous gifts for your partner. It's very simple, so why not give it a go? So the first DIY, you will need some sweets and chocolates and some ribbon and a nice jar to fill it up with. So we want to create multiple layers. So first I'll start off with these, then making sure they are nice and level. Next I added some Smarties. And followed by some marshmallows. And finally the chocolates. Now you can be adventurous as you like and just have fun with it. I think it looks quite good as it is, but I wanted to make it a little bit more extra special by adding a ribbon. And that's the first one done, and don't forget to hit that like button. Right, the second DIY, you'll need a photo frame, some crystals, glue and a pick-me-up pen. I will be using Photoshop to design my quotation, but you can use whatever software you have at home. So I would like it to say, "I love you to the moon and back." And now I'm going to place it right in the center. Next I'm going to add a picture of the moon and then just adjusting it to the size I would like it to look. I'm happy with the way it looks, so next I'm going to get it printed out. So this is my favourite part, where you add the glue and then just add the crystals on top. I've also got another video like this that's very similar, where I add the crystals on top of things, and yeah, go check that out. I'll link it at the top. And isn't this beautiful? Thumbs up if you agree with me. I decided to add a little bit of scattered crystals on top, and it just gave it that final look. So the third DIY, you will need some origami paper, a jar and a pen. So this DIY, we will be writing love messages and making them into an origami heart. First you need to fold the middle and then cut it in half. So basically you need a rectangular shape to make these hearts. And write down all your sweet love messages so your partner can read them when they open it up. So carefully follow these steps I'm about to take. Fold it into half again, open that up and then fold this piece into the middle, and same for the other side. And fold it in half again, just like this. Next you want to fold the other half upwards, just like that. And same for the other side. And then fold this little corner down. And I'm just going to fold it in half again. So inside here, do you see a little pocket? You just need to insert that little corner into the pocket. Now with this part, you need to really carefully just push that corner inside, just like that. And do the same for the other corners. There we have it, a love message in a heart, and you can make as many as you want and just stack it all up. And then add a little gift tag and then just tie it around the jar. And look how pretty they look. I mean, it's almost too nice to just open up to read the messages. For the last DIY, you will need some socks, thread and needle and a pair of scissors. So I would like to add some simple stitching to these socks, and I've decided I wanted it to say I love you. So I'm going to lightly just write it out before I start sewing it. I do have a video explaining in more details how to sew by hand, which I'll leave on top on the right hand corner. After I'm finished, I'm going to tie a double knot at the back, and you can do the same thing for the other pair of socks. So finally, we want it to look nice and pretty, so we're going to roll it up and tie it up with some nice looking twine. And there we have it. So which one was your favourite DIY so far? Comment down below, I would love to know what you think. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see more of these in the future. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!